Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Shiru coin and the reason why its prices dropped by almost 60% in last 24 hours. Is there any chance that we can see Shiru coin recovery here? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. First of all, Shiru coin was my most favorite meme coin in recent time, but you can see it's almost 60% down last 24 hours. 8 times $0.63 current price, and I think 12 hours ago I also buy Shiru coin at 0.7 times $0.15, but right now my buyings are also almost 50% down here, and I can see charts also looking bearish, and last 24 hours 58% dump, and entire price is trade here. I think Shiru was trading around $12 million market, but right now I can see only $6.3 million market, $5.1 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And friends, right now we're 98% down than its all-time high, and all-time low was just 2 hours ago, 0.8 times $0.59. And maybe we can see some more dump in Shiru also in long short term, maybe 0.8 times 0.50 at these CDs is possible. Or if crypto market goes well, because right now BTC has also hit new all-time high, so it's possible then we can see massive boom in meme coins again, and Shiru can recover quickly here. And you can see friends, these exchanges is also list this coin, Gado.io, MEXC, Bitmart, XD.com, Arbit has also list this coin. So this is good that exchange listings are really good, friends. But I think that we can see is maybe recovery in coming few days if market goes well, because friends, you remember Hippo coin, that is Sui ecosystem meme coin, soothing Hippo Sui ecosystem meme coin was also crushed like Shiru coin, but right now that meme coin is also recovered, and its price is right now on that level where from that crush. So maybe we can expect them return from Shiru also. Maybe we can see Shiru market again 12 to $20 million, and its price is 7 times $02 in coming few days. I can see friends on X, they have also mentioned jump reason is just because, as I already show you, told you that shooting hippo that was also crushed due to heavy selling. So same happens with Shiru. I can see 62,000 followers on X, and you can see friends, Shiruniku 4 hours ago they told you that they're staking okay was paused right now, and again people can stake Shiru, and over $500,000 tokens sold out. That's why its price is barely jump here, and but I think we can see it's recovery soon. So friends, overall, right now investing here may be highly risky also, because this is a meme coin and almost 60% crash due to heavy sellings, and but its community is still active, so maybe there are some chances that we can see its recovery just like Hippo coin, Sweden Hippo, but there's no any surety, 100% surety that this coin will also recover like Sweden Hippo. So right now investing is highly risky here, and I also took risk here. I invested I think $85 right now after crushing at this current price. You print 8 times $0.63, and maybe they have maybe 80% chance that this coin will rug, 20% chance that this coin will recover, and you can see this coin to kill zero and reach 0.7 times $0.15 and $6, because the stacking is again going to live soon. And so friends, these are some conditions for Shiru right now, and right now maybe it's possible that we can see its recovery in coming 2 to 3 days if market goes well. But if market can goes red, as right now BTC is going upward but entire market is dumping, so then it's possible that Shiru can be zero also. But is friends 20 and 80%, because right now this meme coin is almost 60% dump due to heavy selling, but still there are some chances, 20% chances that we can see Shiru recovery also. Why do you think? What's your review about Shiru? Do you think that Shiru has potential to recover again, or Shiru is stuck, Shiru will never going to kill 1-0, and we can see Shiru to be zero?